Okay, so here's another tool you can use to set up your own blog. This one is fairly straightforward. It's called blogger.com. It's not as robust as the WordPress that Pete was showing us in class, but I wanted to just use this to show you how to add your blog to an actual feed so that we can all be feeding to each other's blogs, and then we don't have to go and update everything. So you're going to need to create your own blog account, just like you would do anywhere. I have my own already, so I'm just going to put that in. By the way, I'm using Smartboard tools to do this, just a recorder that they have that comes with it. And also, I tried to use Captivate by Adobe, and I'm going to talk about that probably in another time, and how that didn't work for me. So this is my third or fourth attempt at trying to do this. This is the software I usually use. So here we are. I'm in my dashboard. I have a couple different blogs here. And as you can see, I've tried this a few times. So I'm going to just say create a blog just to bring you through all the steps. Test 3. And you just type in whatever. This is the address that everyone will get. Check availability. Yes, it's good. And here's our thing that prevents bots from doing this. If you want to know about bots, I can tell you about those as well. So this is going to create my blog. This is pretty nice, all these different templates they have set up here. Different colors and all kinds of stuff. Let's choose this one. That's not too bad. I'm going to click continue. And then it'll bring me to my blog's been created, and I can start blogging by putting a post in there. And usually you want to put like a welcome message or something like that. Just to kind of add stuff. And I'm just going to kind of fill it up. You could put labels in it and everything. So I'll click publish my post. And if I want to look at what it looks like, there's my blog. Pretty nice, actually. Really makes you look like you know what you're doing. So now I'm going to just show you some of the other stuff you can do. You can add gadgets to this, and it'll come up on the right here. You can add all kinds of stuff, but some of the more popular things you can add are things like the feeds, and you can add slideshows if you have some pictures. You can add a poll, which I've done on mine. So the first thing you might want to do is add a link for subscriptions to your blog so that people can come to your blog and subscribe to it, and they don't have to actually actively go to your blog anymore. When you post an update, it'll come right to them. So that's a real important one, and other people really would want that on your blog, so I would add that. And then another gadget, just keeping with the feed theme, which is really the point of this, you can add content from another feed. So I'm gonna click add under this one, and all blogs, there's a way to do this. So you want to be looking for somewhere where you can put a URL of a feed, just a web address of another blog. Okay, so I'm going to go to Pete's blog here, his WordPress, and on his he has also subscribe to feed. That's why this is so important. So I click subscribe to feed in Pete's, or on a news station, or on Jen's, or someone else's blogs, whoever, and it will bring me to a site, and this is the feed site. It's usually the name of the site plus the word feed at the end, /feed. And I'm going to copy this, right-click copy, and I'm going to then paste it into my blog. Click continue, because I'm doing my gadget, and it finds Pete's. I didn't type this in. It just found Pete's blog in his feed. I'm going to I want to have maybe the dates, 3 items, his last 3 items he's posted, and the sources, who's posted them, because other people can post to your blog. And I'll click save. Alright, I'll go back to my blog, and now Pete's is over here in my kind of customizing structure, and I'll click save and view blog. And now this will really show you what I'm talking about. Here is my new blog with being signed up for Pete's in it, and Pete's is right here. So whenever Pete adds something to his blog, it's going to show up over here. So I could put Jen's, I could put my anyone else's in the class. I can put news feeds, which Pete has on his, and it really you can just come to your own blog, or anyone can go to your blog and see if anyone's other blogs have been updated. So it's a really nice way if we all do it this way, whichever blog we use. It'll work really nice.